eWay-CRM has a module called Contacts. This is your team's database of all the people you work with, your customers, suppliers, resellers, and other business partners. All contacts are automatically shared throughout your team, so everybody works with the most recent data. Contacts can be linked with one or multiple companies, allowing you to see who works for whom, like a huge network of all relationships. If you are starting with eWay-CRM, you probably want to import your contacts from Outlook contacts or discover your contacts amongst your emails. If you use eWay-CRM Desktop, you can import contacts from Excel. We have videos that teach you how to do all, and we've included their hyperlinks in this video's description. This one is about creating contacts manually. I am sure that you will need to do it sooner or later. If you are in eWay-CRM, the easiest option is to click New Item and select Contact. Fill in all important fields. In my case, it's a name, email, and phone. I will also select a company and click Save. Notice that when I select a company, the address and business phone are automatically populated. This dialog asks me if I want to check my mailbox and import all the email history. It's an amazing feature that helps sharing communications throughout my team, and I recommend using it. Allow me to skip it in this video so we can move forward. Here we go. We've just created a new contact and made it available to the rest of our team. It's that simple. I can now pick up my phone and make my first call. To take notes, I recommend using our module journal, which automatically adds timestamps. If you create a journal from a contact, it will be automatically linked with the contact's primary company. You can additionally relate it to deals, projects, or other modules. Journals are chronologically organized in the hub, making reviewing the history of communications extremely simple. Similarly, I can schedule a meeting, task, or send an email. Click Add New, select your activity, and fill in your data. Let's create a task as well. Look, this is a list of all emails, journals, documents, meetings, and tasks I and my colleagues added by the contact. I can scroll through them or use search to find what I need. Let me show you one more way to create a new contact, right from within your Outlook. This is the web Outlook with eWay-CRM online preview panel. If you receive an email from a new person, just select it and press Convert to Contact. eWay-CRM will automatically create the person in seconds. Some eWay-CRM plans contain an inbuilt AI which can extract data from sender's signature. eWay-CRM can find the contact's name, company, job position, email, phone, and address. Let's try it. Convert to Contact, and what we got? Ha! Looks well. See? All data were properly extracted. Simple, and it only took one click. What if I want to quickly find out which customers I am writing with, but haven't added to my contacts yet? I already know that keeping contacts in my CRM is a must-have, so my emails can be automatically organized and shared throughout the entire team. So the question is how to make it simple so I don't need to create them one by one. We have a feature that can check my mailbox and give me a list of contact suggestions. I'm in the Contacts module, so I'll click Import and select Import Contacts from Emails. eWay-CRM will analyze my mailbox and give me a list of suggestions. Ha! Some of them are truly my customers. I can click Convert to Contact one by one, and if I find a possible duplicate, I can merge them. If I want to create them bulk, I can first hide my private contacts and then click Convert 2 of them. That's it. When I close the dialog, eWay-CRM will prompt me to import history of emails. Let's do it to keep all communications in my CRM. And we are done. Contact suggestions is an important feature, so we made it available on the homepage and preview panel. Look, I am still in contacts, and if I select any of them, the preview panel slides in from right. If I click here, I will get a list of all my contact suggestions. I can also pin it to keep it permanent. The same is available on homepage. We've added a new tab, Suggested Contacts. Both places are automatically refreshed every couple of hours and allow me to create new contacts or merge the suggestions with my existing database. If I don't like any suggestion, I can hide it. Simple. Remember that this video is just about creating new contacts. To find out how to synchronize your contacts with Outlook or how to automatically save email communications, check the links in this video description. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.